Imagine this. You send her a message and she leaves you on read. No reply, no excuse, just silence. Most men panic. They double text, they chase, they beg for attention, unknowingly digging their own grave. But here's the irony. The very thing that makes them desperate is the very thing that makes her curious, ignoring. It sounds childish, even cruel. But in female psychology, silence is not empty. It's loud. Louder than compliments, louder than constant attention. Because when a man stops chasing, a woman is forced to face the one thing she hates most, uncertainty. The question is, why does ignoring create such a powerful reaction in her mind? And more importantly, why does it sometimes make her crave you even more while other times it makes her walk away? Let's go deeper. Ignoring a woman is not a game, but a psychological trigger rooted in how attention shapes desire. Attention is a form of currency, and in today's world, it's more valuable than gold. When a man gives it freely, constantly, without restraint, it loses all meaning. But when he withdraws it, that's when the real storm begins. Women are wired to measure value through scarcity. What's rare is treasured. What's abundant is dismissed. This is why a man who seems too available becomes invisible, while the one who steps back suddenly becomes magnetic. But here's the danger. Most men understand this dynamic. They think ignoring is about punishment or manipulation, when in reality, it's about control. Control of your own energy, your own presence, your own worth. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden psychology behind ignoring a woman, the ego disruption it causes, the scarcity effect it creates, the power reversal it sparks, the tests it triggers, and the dark risks it carries. By the end, you'll understand why silence can be louder than words, and why not every man has the strength to wield ego disruption. 1. Ego disruption. Every woman, no matter how humble she may appear, carries an ego. It's not arrogance, it's survival. That ego is built around validation, attention, and the constant reinforcement of her perceived value. Social media, dating culture, and even the simplest interactions feed it daily. A compliment here, a message there, it all stacks up like bricks in a wall of self-importance. Now, when you suddenly go silent when you pull back and stop playing into that cycle, something unexpected happens. You don't just disappear, you leave a void. That void becomes a mirror, forcing her to ask, why isn't he noticing me? What does he see that I don't? This disruption is powerful because it strikes at the core of her identity. Women are used to men chasing, checking, praising. When a man doesn't, when he seems unmoved, it cracks the pattern. Her ego, used to being fed, suddenly starves. And that hunger creates curiosity, even obsession. But here's the paradox. The disruption only works when it's authentic. If you ignore her while secretly craving her attention, she'll feel it. Women have an uncanny ability to sense desperation masked as indifference. True ego disruption happens only when you genuinely detach. When your attention is directed inward toward your own life and growth, it's not about punishing her. It's about removing her from the center of your universe. And in doing so, you force her to question her place in yours. That question alone can be far more unsettling and far more attractive than any words you could ever say. 2. Scarcity effect. Human scarcity effect. Psychology is wired to crave what is rare. We don't chase abundance, we chase scarcity. That's why limited editions sell out instantly, why people value what's slipping away, and why ignoring a woman shifts the entire balance of power. When you stop flooding her with attention, you transform yourself from something common into something scarce. Think about it. She's used to men being available at a moment's notice, responding instantly, bending over backwards. That's the baseline she expects. But when you withdraw, when your presence becomes harder to access, you create tension. And tension breeds desire. Scarcity rewires her perception of your value. The less available you are, the more she wonders who else has his attention. What is he doing that's more important than me? In her mind, your absence becomes a statement, and that statement is louder than any words you could have spoken. Here's the beauty of it. Scarcity doesn't demand effort. It demands restraint. You don't have to play games. You don't have to manipulate. You simply stop pouring energy into her, and suddenly that energy becomes precious. Every glance, every text, every small moment of attention now feels amplified. But scarcity only works when it's consistent. If you disappear for a day, then come crawling back the next, she'll see through it. Real scarcity is about building a life so full, so focused that she naturally gets less of you. And the less of you she gets, the more she wants to pull you back in. It's simple economics applied to attraction. When supply drops, demand skyrockets. And when you master scarcity, you no longer have to chase. She starts chasing you. 3. Psychological projection. Psychological projection. When you ignore a woman, something subtle but powerful happens. Her mind begins to project. This is not about you anymore. It's about the image she's built of herself and how that image collides with your silence. Most people walk around with a fragile self-concept, a delicate idea of who they are. For many women, especially those accustomed to being pursued, validated, or admired, that self-concept is tied to desirability. The moment you withdraw attention, it doesn't just feel like you're ignoring her. It feels like you're questioning her worth. This is where projection begins. She takes the discomfort she feels inside, doubt, insecurity, fear, and unconsciously casts it onto you. Suddenly, you're not just busy or just unavailable. In her mind, you're deliberately rejecting her. You become the mirror that reflects back her hidden anxieties. And here's the dark truth. People will often fight harder against their own reflection than against reality. She may try to rationalize, telling herself she doesn't care, that you're arrogant, or that she never wanted your attention anyway. But beneath the surface, the projection gnaws at her. The more she resists it, the more space you take up in her thoughts. This isn't manipulation, it's psychology. When attention is withdrawn, the human mind rarely leaves a blank space. It fills that void with assumptions, with narratives, with projections, and often those projections say more about her inner world than about you. In silence, you force her to confront herself. Power dynamics. 4. Shifting power dynamics. Power in relationships is rarely spoken about openly, but it's always there operating in the background like gravity, and one of the fastest ways to alter that balance is through the act of ignoring. Think about it. When you constantly give your attention, you're offering something of value. Attention is a form of currency. It tells the other person, you matter, you occupy space in my world. But the moment you withdraw it, the economy shifts. She's no longer receiving that validation for free. Suddenly, she's the one doing the mental calculations. This is where the power dynamic flips. Instead of you orbiting around her, she begins to feel the orbit wobble. Instead of being the one who sets the pace, deciding when to reply, when to engage, when to pull away, she starts reacting to your moves, or more specifically, your silence. And here's the unsettling truth. Power is not always about dominance. It's about influence. When your silence can command her thoughts, when your absence carries weight, that's real power. But let's be clear, this isn't about cruelty or games. It's about understanding that attention given without boundaries creates imbalance. Ignoring strategically and without malice re-enters the equation. It communicates something that words rarely can. I am not dependent on your response to define my value. And when she feels that, the power dynamic shifts irreversibly. She begins to chase what she once took for granted. 5. Emotional amplification. Here's something most people never stop to realize. Emotions don't fade in silence, they intensify. When you ignore a woman, you're not just removing yourself from her attention. You're amplifying whatever feeling she already has about you. If she's mildly interested, that curiosity multiplies. If she's attracted, the silence becomes fuel, turning intrigue into obsession. And if she's frustrated, that frustration can burn hotter than it ever would if you gave her constant reassurance. Why does this happen? Because the human mind hates unresolved tension. When you respond, when you explain, when you reassure, you close the loop. She knows where she stands. But when you ignore, you leave that loop wide open. And the brain, her brain, cannot stand unfinished stories. So it keeps replaying, analyzing, questioning. Why didn't he reply? Why did he go cold? Did I do something wrong? What does this mean? And with each mental replay, the emotions double. Confusion sharpens into desire. Uncertainty transforms into craving. And before she realizes it, the silence you created has carved a permanent space in her thoughts. This is why ignoring is so powerful. It doesn't just spark curiosity. It intensifies emotions that might otherwise fade away with too much attention. The more she thinks about what's missing, the more valuable you become. But here's the razor's edge. Amplification works both ways. If she feels attraction, you deepen it. If she feels insecurity, you multiply it. Ignoring doesn't create feelings out of thin air. It magnifies what's already there. And that is what makes it one of the most dangerous and effective psychological triggers you can ever use. Conclusion. So, what have we really uncovered here? Ignoring a woman isn't just silence, it's a weapon. It shatters ego, it fuels scarcity, it projects insecurities back onto her. It shifts the balance of power, and finally, it amplifies emotions to a breaking point. Each of these forces works like a gear in a hidden machine, grinding away at her psychology until she can't stop thinking about you. And that's the paradox. Your absence becomes louder than your presence ever could. But here's the brutal truth. This isn't about games, it's about awareness. Once you understand these triggers, you start to see the invisible patterns in every interaction. You see how silence can scream, how space can suffocate, and how not reacting can be more powerful than any reaction. The question is, what will you do with that knowledge? Will you use it to gain control, or to simply understand the forces at play in today's chaotic dating landscape? I want to hear your experiences. Have you ever ignored someone or been ignored and felt the shift in power, the sting of ego, the spiral of emotions? Drop your stories in the comments and I'll be reading through them, reaching out, creating real conversations with you. Because this channel isn't just about observation, it's about connection. As always, click on that subscribe button so you can stay updated, and also turn on the notification bell so you would be the first to know when I upload a new video. I'll see you then.